Just get ready to go again, wouldn't it? What's the time you got? 2 o'clock?
Hey?
2 o'clock?
25 past 1.
I'll go at 1:30, I imagine. That air brake pumps synonymous noise, isn't it? But with this class of locomotives?
Yeah. See that?
Which part?
You can see belts in those ones there, see?
Where the connecting rods are?
Yeah. There's 1, 2, 3 bolts there.
Yeah.
Each one.
So they can adjust for wear then?
I think so. It's a long time ago, Richard.
Well, I'll tell you what. 1915, it's seen a lot of sunrises, that Lincoln train, isn't it?
It sure has. But I mean, if it's had done like we used to do with them, we're back to like brand bloody new.
Oh, for sure. This is 3 years after the Titanic sunk. This is 1912 technology, because they would have been designed, you know, probably 3 years beforehand.
See that train there, you can see the throttle.
Oh,
See,
okay.
that's what that dome's for.
So that
And those two will be sand domes, I think.
are they?
Well, you can see the pipes
Oh,
coming
yeah,
down.
going down. So the sand domes come down. Oh, yeah, you see the pipe going down onto the wheel.
Above the wheel.
Yeah. Oh.
So you can see it there.
Yep.
On
And
the track.
there's the pipe down on the track. Right there.
This business, this quadrant thing here,
Yep.
I'm sure that's something to do with the reversible.
That's probably in neutral at the moment, eh?
Yeah.
When they go, that'll be flipped, and that'll determine whether it's starting to go forward or backwards, won't it?
Yeah.
Wall-Schustet or something like that valve system, I think it's called.
Yeah.
And all those, see those two valves under the cylinder, they dewatering or something, are they?
I would say so. They're probably to drain any bloody
Moisture that might be in there.
There he goes now, look.
Oh, he's put that up. So and now he'll turn this thing up there.
This one up here.
We'll see. I'll get that close up to see whether he.
This is due to go.
Well, he must be for a turn to put that. Ah, so those are a jolly. Yeah, the valve gear set for reverse motion. Now we're going to open the steam to the cylinder via that up there.
Yeah.
I never knew that. So that was a good place to locate gravity feed for the sand.
Most of them. Some of the lokies, that tube was inside the top of the boiler.
Oh.
Because I had to get down inside that dome
Yeah.
and guide that tube into the valve that it operated.
Yeah.
Not I'm talking about a bloody refrigerator now.
Brakes off. And is he going to turn that valve yet? He must have turned it. Away she goes.
Is that valve moving?
Didn't move. I didn't see it. He moved it a bit more.
I'm sure that's what it is.